Well, we're going to take you on a little test drive. This is a DZ302 Camaro. This is about as classic as it gets. So we got a small block Chevy hot rod series that we built for it. 4-speed, a bit of gear, and a nice little 69 package. Some drag slicks, or actually some DOT tires actually. And take you for a little walk around on this thing. Just a classic looking 69, and this is what pretty much started the craze. Let's take a look at what's under the hood of this little baby. It's a DZ302. Got the original Duntock or Winchester manifold actually.
Dual plane, little Winchester marks. Got a vacuum secondary original carburetor that we've worked. But the reality is it really isn't a 302. What we did is a little cheater work. So you notice all the weld and then grinding and shot peening so you can't tell. So undercover work on the intake.
Took the 780 vac secondary, it's flowing 1,000. Put some headers on it, but it's made to look like a stock DZ. But in reality it's one of our 427 hot rod series. It's a really bitchin' sounding motor, and we're gonna take you for a little cruise in this bad boy. You know, not made to show clean or frills, just made to look like it's stock. Sure doesn't sound it though. So let's take a look at the interior here. Again, just your classic, nice
69 DZ302.
Listen to that shit. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that makes us want to build a hot rod. That's fucking nasty. About this car is it's the combination of parts of it. Your classic small block Chevy with a 4-speed and some gear. It's just such a fun combination, ultra responsive, and it's attainable by everybody. Listen to it. That sounds bitchin', huh?
This thing is radical sounding.
The Hot Rod series really radical. Just fucking fun, you know?
Oh my god.
I mean, really, something that you don't get an experience of a normal guy, you know? Series Sleeper Edition. Keep in mind, this is running through a stock 1969 dual plane. Obviously worked. And a vacuum secondary original carburetor. Worked. But it's badass.
Not gonna find too many Camaros sound any better than that. Oh yeah. Damn. Look at those marks. See every gear.